Good morning, this is Sean with TriState Water Works. We have three different levels of startup packages. We call it the bronze, silver, and the gold. And you might be wondering, well, which one should I purchase for my irrigation system? And what we find, generally speaking, is if it's the first year we'll be doing your system, that the silver is the best package for you as far as getting the biggest bang for your buck. And with the silver package, we'll go through and raise some of the heads that may have sunk in and straighten some of the heads, and take care of issues that may not have been covered by your previous contractor. If you want to really look at close details, please go to our website at TriStateWaterWorks.com to find out all the details. So once we get your system in shape, generally speaking, the bronze package from year to year will keep it in good shape. You might ask, well, would I need the gold package? Very rarely will you need the gold package. If your system's been what I would call abandoned, a lot of times maybe the house has been foreclosed and you bought a foreclosure and hadn't been running for 5 years, then it would need a gold package. Or if the previous homeowner was a do-it-yourself and really hadn't done anything to it, you might need a gold package. And frequently what we do, you may want to purchase the gold package, and if we get out there and we do the work and really you didn't need the gold package, all it was a silver, we'll just charge you for the silver, so there's nothing lost.